Hello everybody, as requested by my good friend Justin, we're going to do a kick roll today. I'm going to show you some kick roll stuff. So let me just take this out of the bus channel just to make life easier. I am still using a bus channel for my kick because I did try and not do it and just have individual channels, but it was just too much hassle. But when you use bus channels it can fuck up the levels, so just be careful. But in this instance we're just going to get the kick, set it to -8, okay? Because it's set to -8 and it's going straight to the master should show -8. See, that's fucked up. I've no idea why it's doing that. Welcome to the world of producing. Why would it be doing that? That is some crazy shit. Maybe it's mono. Wait, it is in mono. How's it? Is it because we sample it? I wonder. That's fucking weird. Logic did not used to do that, I can promise you. But by the by, it solidifies the point that you want to get your kick showing a true -8, so. So there you go, my kick's showing -8 on a master. That shouldn't happen. I don't know why it's doing that. I've got no idea. It must be an update in Logic, but that shouldn't happen. But anyway, by the by, the kick's peaking at -8. Alright, that's all we need to know. Right, now we want to just, for argument's sake, get that kick. And we'll just do a kick roll, okay? We'll just keep it dead simple. What is it? Now, note length is really important. Come on, Adam. Right, okay, let's get a note. I've kind of done it backwards here, so whatever. Okay, so. So because there's less, because I'm doing like longer kicks, like the longer gaps between the kicks, we can pull them out a bit more. Now all you want to do is assure that you've got consistency throughout. So if you've got kick rolls that are this length here, make sure that if you're doing another kick roll and you're doing this pattern that they're the same length. I hope that makes sense. Right. They're a bit. The notes are too long, and I can hear the low end. You need to make sure you have one shot turned on. If you don't, when you draw the kick, it'll play the full kick. So if we just play the full kick roll now, we want it to peak at -9. Now again, this is annoying because I've always trusted that the kick should match what it says on the output, but it's not. I don't know why. However, if we just go back to, so that was set at 6.2. So this should effectively peak on the master at -8. Perfect. So all we need to do is drop it down to 7.2. And what it means is that the kick roll is now going to peak 1 decibel quieter. Why would we do that? Well, when it kicks in to the main kick, it means that we're going to get a 1 decibel jump. So it just makes your kick a bit more powerful. So watch this. It's going to peak at -9 now on the master. Right? It didn't. What the fuck is going on? This is crazy shit. Oh my god. So pretty much -9. That's crazy. It's a decibel quieter, but I don't know why. This is why using samplers can be a bit tricky. But look, ultimately, it's around a decibel quieter. If you want to get it bang on, and just get it bang. My goodness, stupid. That is mental. -6.2, so -7.2 should means it peaks at -9. Oh, that's funny. -6.9. Now, ultimately, these aren't going to make a difference, these little point ones, but you do it anyway. There you go. So, I don't know why he's doing that. It's fucking retarded. But by the by, we're now peaking at -9. So, you can be rest assured that now your kick is fading in. It peaks at -9. I mean, your main kick peaks at -8, which is a decibel louder. Now, the last thing to take into account is if you've got a bass, and you've just got a bass drone, let's just say, that bass drone, as the kick is rising up, needs to fade out. Just use a gain tool, and as the kick is coming in, just start fading it out until to about minus 12, something like that. Around -10 to -15, you know. And what that means that will happen is that as your kick is coming to life and all the low end is coming to life, the bass is saying, see you later, bye-bye, you know, have a good time, kick. Now, if you don't do that, your bass is going to be like, fuck you, kick, you know, I'm not going to let you sound good. And the low frequencies, I'm speaking like I'm teaching children how to make music, but the low frequencies will just clash really nasty. Try it, do a kick roll, and don't fade your bass out and see how nasty it is. Fade your bass out, and that kick roll has got all the energy in the low end and all the space that it needs. So a little bit tricky there. Back in, you know, as far as I'm aware, I don't understand what the issue is with these levels. It must be a new update in Logic. Something has changed. Normally, if my kick shows -8 on my kick, it should show -8 on a master. Likewise, if I turn my kick down 1 decibel, it should represent the output. But for some reason, to get it match, we have to knock it up 0.3 decibels. So just check everything on your master. When you've got your kick rolls or your kick done, then you can just put the limiter on and you can forget about it now. Just every time you do a kick roll, as I said, let's say you do another kick roll here. What I do is I take that first kick over. So I know that, right, for my 16ths, so for my 8ths or whatever, that's my note length. So I've got 3 sets of notation here, and I know that they're all perfect. What you don't want to do is start drawing in different kick rolls, using these same patterns, but with note lengths being different. Try and keep the consistency throughout. I hope that makes sense anyway. Thank you for watching, and speak soon.